So this week we're jumping forward in time so that we could get you more of a Christmassy episode during Christmas. We started out the day anchored in Degnan Bay on Gabriola Island. We'd been fogged in for the last couple days and were itching to get out. Around noon, the fog lifted enough that we were able to pull up anchor and motor away. We had hoped to get all the way to the marina, but after a few hours, the fog began to settle and we were losing visibility. Luckily, we were right by Clam Bay, where we've been many times, so we pulled in, anchored, and spent the night there.
It's fairly low visibility coming into the Clam Bay here. We've been here a few times, so I know there's a few things to look out for. Hopefully all goes well. This is so cool. It's like so eerie, but like good eerie. And it's crazy because there's nobody else here. So you just feel like you're like one of the only ones to ever see something like this. Spoke too soon, there's a boat over there. I started decorating our Christmas tree. Got some red on there thanks to the tuck tape. And I'm just gonna cut up some ornaments thanks to our eggnog. I'm pretty excited about it. More excited than I should be.
We're on anchor, and that can't stop you from enjoying a little bit of the holiday magic.
Look what I did with my ornaments. Oh wait, that's tuck tape.
No point in buying ornaments you don't have space for.
Yep. I think it turned out pretty good.
I'd say it's pretty festive in here. Okay, let's do this. Cue Christmas music.
God rest you merry gentlemen, let nothing you dismay. Savior was
Born on Christmas Day to save us all from Satan's power when we were gone astray. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy, comfort and joy. Oh, tidings of comfort and joy. Baptic attack and
Oh, come, all ye
faithful, joyful and triumphant.
I'll be home.
Ooh, I'm digging this.
For
Christmas Day.
I'll be home.
Well, that should have been a great clip.
Lyndon! These are for private moments.
Ah, it's so good. Embarrassed?
It's just who I am.
watching the weather in hopes that the fog would lift, and around noon, we were finally able to see the horizon, so we decided to pick up anchor and head back to the marina.
Has dropped significantly since we left. We shouldn't have left today. And we're just coming up to a ferry crossing, so all hands on deck.
Once we confirmed our position with the ferry, we put the hammer down and crossed their path as fast as we could.
The camera is foggy because it's freezing cold outside. We've made it back. That was super sketchy. We shouldn't have left when we did. We should have waited until the fog was gone.
Somebody was a little antsy.
But I wanted to get back. But we're back. We're safe and we're hungry because we forgot to eat lunch. So I'm heating up the curry again for the third time for dinner. And yeah. And then we're gonna have showers because we need them. What? I'm being serious. I'm still really enjoying my Christmas mast. After arriving back in the marina, we found out that there was a Christmas boat parade that was going to be happening the following night. The fog had lifted, and we were sure glad it did, as seeing the boats decked out in Christmas lights cruising around the bay was really neat to see. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, you guys. We hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a great holiday with your family and friends. I hope you enjoyed this last episode. Thanks for following along.
Head on over to our Patreon link if you guys want to find out how you can support us on this adventure.
Next week we jump back in time for our episode and we leave the marina for the first time in over 8 weeks. We head over to Gabriola Island to meet up with a new friend and help him with a boat project. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas.